In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Android screen stay on. So if you want to stop your Android screen from turning off automatically, I'm going to show you how to do this. Now the first step is to go and unlock your Android and just load up the settings page. From the settings page, scroll down and click on display. You could then scroll down and click on screen timeout, and then go and set this to the highest number possible. So I'm going to set mine to 30 minutes, and that's going to keep the Android screen on for a full 30 minutes before it turns off. Now, if you want to stop your screen from turning off even after 30 minutes, then what you'll need to do is go and open up the Play Store, click on the search box, search for the word timeout, and you'll see this app here called Screen Off Timeout. Click on this, and then go and press install. Once it's finished installing, go and open the app. You can press skip in the bottom left-hand side and click on allow permission. Check the box next to allow permission and come back over to the previous page. You could then click on keep on from the list of options, and that's going to permanently keep your Android screen on.